Thank you. He loves me and only me. I teach him math.
Me. What does it to me?
Okay. So find, it says find angle QRS if KRS, so KRS is 90, so KRS and it's 90, so that's a little one. Okay, and then we got QRS. QRS is the big one. QRS, and that's 16x plus 1. And then QRK. So QRK. And that is another little one. Okay, so we got a little one plus a little one equals a big one. So, and on this side, we got x's on the opposite sides. Okay, so we're going to combine our like terms. So 90 and a 21 is going to give me 111.
Let me look it up and see if you're right.
16x plus 1. Okay, so I got 111 plus 6x plus 16, or equals 16x plus 1. Okay, and then we need to start to move our letters and our numbers. Okay, so our very first one is 111. Is that a letter or a number?
It's a number.
So does it need moved or not?
It needs to be
Yeah, so it needs to be moved. So I gotta say minus, minus 111. And does it go under the 16 or under the 1?
one.
Under the 1, so minus 111. So I got 6x equals 16x minus 110. Okay, well, 6x, is that a letter or a number?
It's a letter.
A letter, does it need moved?
No.
No, because it's already on the left. Okay, now we hit the equal sign. 16x, is that a letter or a number?
It's a letter.
Letter, so does it need moved?
Yes.
Yeah, so how do I move it?
It's minus 16.
Minus the 16x on both sides. And then I got negative 10x equals negative 110. Okay, and what's my last step always?
Divide, right?
Divide. By negative 10, divide by negative 10. So x equals 11. Oh, shoot, I did it again. So,
Yeah.
okay, because I keep wanting to circle this, but what was the question asking us?
Plug it in.
Yeah, we are plugging it in. Plugging it into what, though? QRS, which is what?
16x plus
16x plus 1. And what's our x?
1.
11. So I got 16
Times 11 plus 1.
times 11 plus 1.
I think I said that right.
Yep. Yeah, so it's going to be 177. Okay, so these are just like the other ones. It just has one extra step. What's it?
Alright. Just click a line.
What do you mean?
line.
Yeah, I didn't do that. It's the board. It's like glitching out this morning. Okay, let's look at 2. Okay, 2 says find IDJ, and it says if angle IDJ,
Wait, you have to find IDJ, but it.
ID or IJD is a little one. ID, gosh dang it.
Okay.
This is the one thing I do not like about geometry.
Join the club, but at least you can look at
IJD. Well, looking ain't helping me much. I can't freaking write. I can't say it. Like IJD is negative 8 plus 4x. Okay, and then IJK.
it. JK.
IJK is 114, and that's our big one. And then DJK is going to be 10x plus 10.
First you have to from the formula. So little plus little equals the big.
Okay, so I got a negative 8x plus 4x plus 10x plus 10 equals 114. Okay, is this the same side, opposite sides, or just degrees?
Opposite sides? No, wait, same side? No, wait. I don't know.
Okay, so it's same sides. So with our same sides, what are we gonna do first? Combine like terms. Okay, so I can put the 10 and the 4 together to give me 14x. And I can put the negative 8 and the 10 together to give me a positive 2. So I got 14x plus 2 equals 114.
Now we have to do the letters to the left and numbers to the right. Right?
Yep. Okay, so I'm gonna subtract 2 from both sides. Okay, so I got 14x equals 112.
We have to divide
We're gonna divide, it's gonna be our last step.
14 divided by 112.
So x equals, I had a calculator,
Let me look it up.
8.
8, perfect. Okay, and what's the question asking us?
We have to plug it in.
Plug it into which one?
IJD.
IJD? And what is IJD?
IJD is the
IJD, and it's what's negative 8
Plus 4x.
plus 4x? And what's our x value?
8.
Yeah. Okay, we can,
Someone's at
the
the door.
door should be open. 8. Why are you late, Bree? You say that every day.
So negative
Okay, I'm gonna go to the bathroom and then I'll let you in.
times 32.
Quit being late to my class, Bree.
32.
Okay, so you should get 24. Good.
I give up. It's 32.
So you may be nice. Okay, let's look at 3. Okay, so it says angle FST. So you got FST, and that's going to be a little one, so FST, and it equals 6x plus 7. And then it says RSF, and that's going to be another little one, is 80 degrees. So you got RSF is 80 degrees. And then that equals RST. RST is 15x plus 15.